Oh, you guessed it. It's a rainy day, Friday. It's nasty out. So I gotta go install a door frame and a new door today, I guess. I haven't got the whole scope of the little job that I got chosen to go take care of today, so be back here shortly with something. Alright, it's wet and snowy. We can't run no machines today, because if we did, they just sink to China. I'll show you around the house so you can see what it looks like so far. I mean, it's a muddy, wet mess back here. Don't let the snow fool you. It's nothing but mud underneath. It's bad. And then, about a week and a half ago, final drive went out on this left track. So the homeowner, he was the one that was using it. Well, one of the other guys was using it, but I'm telling you, some people these days they don't need to be on something like this because they don't know how to use it, don't know how to treat it, just don't care. So that final drive right there, it went out, it burned up. So now got that taken out. Homeowner's got a guy working on it. We got the shovel. All the snow out of the house this morning. Sorry the video is so a little bit shaky. I'm telling you, if you brought that skid steer, that front end loader down through here right now, it would sink and it'd be done. It's nothing but mud up underneath the snow. It ain't too bad today. It's probably in the low 40s or so. See, it's mud. The homeowner was down here setting his telephone pole up there last week for the meter, and he set that thing up with that mini excavator out there. He had a strap hooked to it right there, and he lifted it right up. And in the process of doing that, he snapped this conduit right there in half, so he had to put that back together. And I just now seen that. See if I can show you. See that corner? That's not good. But what we're doing right now is, dang it, someone's calling me. What we're doing right now is drilling holes along the floor, 2 inches up from the bottom of the floor in the basement, because the homeowner wants to put a heated floor down there. So we got to pour concrete down there. I just now seen that. That's bad. That whole corner's pushed out. Yeah. He's got a good bit of scrap metal here that we tore off the house when we was tearing it down. Yeah, he's got a nice little pile there. Scrap metal ain't up for nothing nowadays, though. I bet there ain't no more than 20 bucks there. There's all the concrete right there from out front of the house. I'm recording this on my cell phone, by the way, so. Oh, try not to fall. Please like, comment, subscribe. Get that out of the way. I'll be back with something else.